In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make incredible images for your Midjourney print-on-demand business. So, if you want to have a successful Midjourney print-on-demand business, you need to have the best images on your t-shirts or whatever you're selling. So, one way to do this is to just make your prompts in here, just type them in, but I find this is not very effective. So, a second way you can do this, let's say you have a Star Wars themed print-on-demand business. You turn people into Star Wars characters. What you could do here is you can download this image, for example. Let me find one that's actually a PNG. Download this one. Here we go. So let's say you want to turn people into their Star Wars character, something like that. You can do /describe here. You can upload this image, hit enter, and it's going to give you descriptions of what this image actually is. So let's just say it's giving us 4 descriptions here. You want to go through and see which one's the best fit. I'm going to click 1 just to be quick. And this is going to have just generated as a prompt from this image. So already you've got a huge jump start because you're going to be able to make much better products than anyone else because you've got really, really accurate prompts. Now this is a free method to do it. You can fiddle around with these keywords and you'll be able to get really good results. Now, here's the paid method, which is actually game changing. You want to go to this website called PromptBase, and I don't know why it's lagging up. Let me just search it. Here we go, it's working. So you want to go to PromptBase here, and you want to search what you're selling. So let's say we're selling Turn Me Star Wars. I will search that in here. I will go to Midjourney once it loads. Okay, so here we are. We've got these different prompts that we can use here. So let's say we want to do this one. Portraits drawn by Star Wars artist. So let's say we really like these kind of styles. What we can do is we can go here, click get prompt, and that's going to give us the prompt that will generate these kind of images. Now, it's going to give us instructions on how to customize these. So if you wanted to add your own face in it, it will tell you how to do that. Now, if we go back here to Discord, you can see this is what the free version has generated, and you can see that these are very, very realistic. You can't even tell, apart from this one, which is a bit funky. But yeah, you could use both of those to help your print-on-demand business do well. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.